Okay, the video has started. Okay, so now shall we go? Since we have enough fuels to come here. Bro, let's do one thing. If we don't have enough fuel to go to the next town, then we will just stay here until few nights. So that, do you understand? The zombies will come again and we will kill them. So the turrets will kill them. We gain fuel.
Wait, the one thing
We,
is, we should just go to. You have started the video now?
yeah.
Okay, so we just have to go to the train and reach it to our safe haven.
Yeah, after that we have to go to the next safe haven, okay? Because this won't get saved. Like this progress won't get saved. We will have to do this again now. Let's just try as hard as we can, okay?
I don't use the toilet.
Wait,
You take.
let's just drop everything here. No, let's just drop everything here. Shit, I accidentally started the train. How much fuel do we have? Okay, now.
Like.
Wait. Don't drive. Actually,
Okay.
yeah, wait, you drive until the safe haven.
Just get it to the safe haven. Then
Yeah.
we'll wait another night. Then we'll wait another night.
Yeah. Since we don't have enough fuel. Okay. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. So, what is the time right now, by the way? 11 a.m. So, which means we need to wait for another 9 minutes. Right? No, 9 minutes. No. 12 minutes. We have to wait for 12 minutes. Bro? Wait, how about we just go outside and do the, kill the horses stuff? Since there are a lot in here.
They are. I think they are hostile.
Yeah, I know, but still we have a gun now. I have a gun with
But
25 ammo.
Even if they are peaceful, we have to kill them.
Yeah. Shit. Bro, I missed one. Yeah, they are not hostile. They just run away. Okay.
Okay, just take
Used.
it. Take them.
Yeah.
And don't use gun. It's for the zombies.
Okay. But they will run away now. And see how fast they are.
Okay. Double hit na?
No, quadruple hit. It takes 4. Yeah, I'll just try to use the axe. But if they don't run away, then it is good. Bro, we can't, bro. It is nearly impossible. Okay, let's just go, bro. Let's just go back. And see, I think normally there is one, I think there will be a village near. So let's just try that. Wait,
I have
why?
a
Why do I only have 4? I mean 2? Before it said I had 4, but now it said I have only 2.
What the? Wait, take mine. Take mine.
Okay. Maybe I just heard it wrong.
Oh.
Wait, do you think? Wait, I think we are in the the previous times of America. I don't think we are in the present times of America.
Yeah, bro, it says in the newspaper.
Oh,
I didn't know you could notice it now. I didn't know.
okay, bro. Let's just go as far as we can now. Should we?
No. No.
Now is.
I'm telling you.
Oh yeah. Actually, you know what? Since there is only 3 minutes left, let's just wait. There is only 3 minutes left. I mean, bro. Yo.
Yeah. Yeah.
See if there is any mobs in the either side. I don't have that much. How much money do you have, by the way?
I am 0.
Me too. Wait, what is this? Did you get scared?
No, I am drinking.
Okay. I thought you were scared because something like that. Sound came now. Wait. Bro, what if I could just store the shop item without buying it?
Yeah, you can store it, but there's
Bro.
nothing in here.
Yeah, what if
That
we
is a-
could? That is just nothing.
Wow. The thing
Okay,
is,
yeah.
we
Yeah,
just
now
need
it is night
$10.
time.
Okay.
Why?
Now
Why
that-
$10? Oh, for fuel, no? No. Okay,
No,
now
no.
is 9.
Wait.
9. Bro, now is
We need
9. 9. I think it will take nearly lot of time. Like it will take lots of minutes for it to spawn.
No.
Okay. I thought it was something else, bro.
By the way, you have a cowboy hat.
Yeah, I know. I know that, bro.
Yeehaw!
Howdy, my boys.
Yeehaw!
Bro, why is the moon so big, bro? Bro, why is the moon so big? Like One Piece. Extra fuel. Wait, by the way,
Sell
is
it.
this corpse
Sell it.
fuel? Valuable. Where? Where to sell?
Ah, sell it. That trading post. I'm writing
Okay.
it. But you have one thing.
What?
Buy it. You should buy two. You want to buy two bandages
Bro,
or
there is-
one? One more. Can you give me one? Can you give me one? Thank you. Okay.
Okay, now I have $20. What do we do with
You
it?
buy.
I'll buy coal.
And I
Bro.
buy bandages. Bandages.
Okay. Bro, why is the gun? Why is it going backwards, bro?
Because of the.
Wait, train didn't go backwards also?
No. It was just because of the momentum that Roblox has.
Okay. I thought for a second these monsters could bring the train backwards.
Backward. Yeah,
Bro?
I took two bandages.
I just realized
Yeah.
one thing. Now these are not zombies. These are these valuable cops.
Yeah. I'm gonna sell my valuable copies. I have $20.
Okay. Okay, 1 second. Not this. Yeah, this.
I have take the coal. Oh, once I thought it was like that, corrupted.
No. I dropped it to exchange for money. Bro, I can buy another coal, by the way. I can buy another coal.
Bro, I will also buy one coal.
Okay.
3
Bro,
coal.
shall we?
Equals-
Do you think
What?
it's best to stay here for another night?
No, it will be full. When
Huh?
it's full, just get
Huh.
it to just start the train.
Okay.
Start the train when the or it's not below average.
What? What are you saying, bro?
Wait.
Bro,
No. You take one. You take
Yeah, I
one
took-
bandage.
I took it.
No. Don't store it. Hold it. E to use it. It to like hold it. Okay. Like this. See?
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Okay. Pick
Bro,
up.
what
You
if we
pick
could
up.
steal turrets?
You can't steal.
Bro, shall we just go?
They are the only turrets are the thing that help us.
Wait, shall we go?
Yeah.
If you want to go, then I will drop the gun. Here you go. You take the
No.
gun.
I wait. Let me pick up. Bro, what about that ammo?
Oh yeah, true. So shall we stay here for another night? Because we are broke. Wait, how much money do you have?
$0. Bro, you can just see it in the leaderboard.
Oh, bro, you know what? I'm gonna do one thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop this and buy sell this.
You can't sell this. You
Let's
can't
just
sell
try.
this.
I'll just try.
I I already tried.
Let me try.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Let me try.
You actually
Actually,
what?
bro, but the problem is it only gave me $7.
So we
I
just basically. So we basically.
no wait,
Don't worry, bro.
take
I
that
have
back.
one with me. I have one with me now. 15. It is just $15.
Okay.
So if you have another $8, then we could do it. So wait.
We are $1 short.
No, wait. There are horses. We can just sell the horses now. Can we sell the horses or not? Bro,
Bro,
why are you wasting bullets?
bro, it doesn't have even one bullet.
Oh. Yeah, let's just go, bro. Let's just go.
Bro, you
It's
take
just
the revolver. You
okay.
take the revolver. I'm very scared. Okay?
Okay. So who is
Don't you feel, bro? You are the capable one.
okay? Okay, start the
So you
I mean, start the gun. Start the train. Sorry.
start the
I,
bro.
I hope this doesn't have any, bandits. I just hope there is no bandits in this tunnel like before.
After you kill the bandits, you get nothing.
Bro, there are bandits. Bro,
I am not
What
gonna
the-
stop now. The thing is, I'm not gonna stop.
wait,
Bro,
wait, they die. Bro, wait, they die.
bro.
Yo, they die.
Bro, we can take the bandits to sheriff.
Bro, just stop the. Bro, 1 second. Bro, stop. Bro, I said
Not
stop.
50 meters.
Okay, just don't stop. Okay, just don't drive. Just don't drive. Okay,
Don't
I'll
stop,
kill this
don't
guy.
drive.
Yeah. Shit.
I have no lot time. Bro, wait.
Okay.
For 1 second I thought na, the train was on fire. Because of the bullets.
Bro, I think we can ride this.
Bro, wait. I will store this. Do you know what? It gives us bounty, okay? I will do one thing. F, store it.
Bro, wait. I'll do this. Oh, bro. Let's take the horse.
Bro, you know we can't. Wait. Bro, but it will fall down. Let me check.
Wait, we
I'm-
can weld this. Bro, we can weld this.
Bro,
We should
Bro,
have known
imagine-
this.
bro, one thing.
By the way, I have only 3 bullets. Bro, stop. No, actually, don't
No.
stop. Don't stop now. Don't stop now.
Not,
Don't stop riding.
we can never stop at night. Number
Yeah.
one rule.
Shit.
Unless you're a pro.
Bro.
What? Oh, I thought you fell down.
No.
You sit on the horse. Who's well
Yeah.
Right. Another-
Okay. Fuel is almost to 50%.
Bro, see the town.
Yeah, I know. I see.
That's what happens when zombies attack.
Yeah.
So, I almost felt sad for the NPCs. But then I realized they are NPCs.
This is my seat. Bro, this is my seat.
Bro, get the horse away, little away.
Now, if I jump, if I have to leave this, I have to jump. And if I jump, then, bro, we are kind of running out of fuel, but we are near the checkpost, right? I mean, the safe haven.
Yes.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, we have enough fuel now. Yeah, we have
One
enough
thing.
food. What?
Is the horse touching my mouth?
Okay,
See?
thankfully, bro, don't worry, I'm behind.
How? Bro, next.
Don't worry, I'm here. Don't worry, bro. I did. Jumping here does not make me death.
A monster inside. I'm going to pick him up. Pick him up.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, one is here. One died near us. I mean, one died near me. Did you store
Not
it?
those.
Okay, now
Yeah, I
we
stored it.
just trade it now. Wait, there is another one, but I need to.
Can you give me that monster once? I will sell every monster that I have.
Wait,
Wait.
I will take. Okay, yeah. You take it, bro. You take it, and you buy some money, if possible. Sorry, I accidentally stole. You do three, bro. I will buy the ammo. You buy the coal for the thing.
First, let's go to the check post. Trading
Bro.
post.
I accidentally went to that. Bro, this game is really fun, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It is actually really fun. Oh,
$47 in my pocket.
$20 in my pocket. We can use the. Bro, I just realized. We can
Can
use
be
the
sold.
We can use
See.
the dead body of the bandits.
Bro, come here. I
What?
want to show you something.
Wait,
Show
one
you
second. Where
something.
is the shop? Gunsmith.
Sheriff. Bro, come to
One
the
second.
sheriff.
Bro, wait, bro, for a second. Can you please wait?
I want to tell you one thing. Tell the bandit at the sheriff's house to claim bounty.
Bro,
I got 35. Bro, I got
bro, I used
$35.
bro, I used it on the fuel.
I got
We have to-
$35 for. Bro, see.
Okay, you know what? From now on, we do
Bro,
that.
one thing I have to ask. Do we save up for turrets?
Wait, bro, actually, when
What?
wait, I just
Come
realized
here,
one
bro.
thing.
Come here.
Bro, I realized one thing. We
Come
can
here.
just run. We can actually run the bandits on our train. Like they just die immediately because of the train.
Nothing. Bro,
Yeah,
should we
125.
save up for that?
Yeah,
Or
let's save up.
should we save up
Yeah, let's save up.
one,
But it's not-
$250, $125? Or should
150
we
we
just
have
buy
to-
this?
What is that? That is a rifle. This is a shotgun. Bro, actually, let's just keep it for the. Oh yeah. By the way, I have a
But-
5.
But I just realized one thing. We don't need turrets. Bro, but I just realized one thing. We don't need turrets.
Wait, actually, wait 1 second. I'm gonna keep it in here. Bro, I'll weld
No.
this thing here.
Bro, I will buy. Come here, I will buy 2 of those bandages. You come here and take. I will buy 2
Wait.
bandages, you come and take. Hey, you come and take 2 bandages from here.
Arey yaar, wait.
Okay, I'll just store it. I'll give you it. Now,
Bro, we can just
the
store
rest-
the horse. I just stored the horse.
Let me show you my face after doing that.
Oh yeah, what you were trying to show?
I was trying to show. I was trying to give you.
Oh,
hit
hammer.
that- Sell the bandit at that place. There.
Yeah. I know, sheriff.
Bandit at
Okay.
claim bounty. I got
Okay, yeah, let's go.
$35. Wait, I'm gonna buy some coal.
Okay.
Why am I? What is this place? Bro, what is this?
That is a lantern. If you have $15, buy it because we need it. We definitely need this. But
Why?
not more than coal. Not more than
Bro.
coal, but we do need this.
Bro, what is
That-
this?
That is a bomb. It explodes
So
after throwing. Yeah, wine
Oh.
bottle. Yeah, don't buy that, bro. Bro, don't buy these,
But-
bro. Just buy the lantern. it's by the lantern.
Why do we need that lantern, by the way?
In night, we can't see anything. Okay, drop me then.
Bro, no need. We don't. If we are cost, I'm gonna. Bro, if I buy 3 coal, we don't need lantern anyways. Lantern anyways.
Facts.
Okay. So I'm just. I see. I
Wait, this is the
accidentally gone to
gunsmith. Wait,
Yeah.
that is the
Let's
general
just-
store.
There.
Yeah, we just gone through that.
Oh.
I don't think there is any coal left.
Good. Where can we buy?
Yeah, let's just go, bro. It's been time. Do you want the revolver?
No.
Okay. I just stored the horse in the bag, okay?
It sounds so funny.
Travel,
You say like-
travel 20 kilometers a what?
I think the fuel.
Bro, wait. Bro, stop.
Okay. Get in and get the bodies. Yeehaw! Bro, there is a revolver. There is ammo. There is ammo.
Yeah.
Take it.
This is junk fuel. Bro, a musket.
Go take the turret ammo.
Bolt action.
So we can't.
Bolt
Bro, what
action
is that?
rifle.
Bro, can you show me once? By hand?
Bro, it's a red moon. Bro, we need to go immediately.
That's very dangerous. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I know. That is why I'm saying let's go immediately.
Come here. Are you near? Now,
Yeah.
now I started.
Yeah, train. Start.
Did you bring the horse? That's
Yeah.
very cool.
Yeah, I have it in with me. Bro, I
No, by the
already.
way, later you give me the revolver so we both can have weapons.
Okay, yeah, but first we have to escape the night. After we escape the night, then we can. What? Bro,
So someone.
yeah, we could have used that as fuel, but I guess no.
Bro, they disappear after we kill them.
Actually, you know what, bro? I like this game. This is my favorite game now. If you play with me,
Bro, this is party game mode. Bro, I only played it random people.
yeah.
And this is just fun that I decided to play with my real friends like you because I met you in real life.
Bro, we could have used so many dogs as fuel, bro.
But the thing is, we can't stop. Bro, it's empty. Empty above.
Shit, I have nothing with me.
You drive. Ah.
Bro, we have nothing. Okay, say, use this guy. Drive.
Bro, kill him.
Shit, I need bandage. Bro, I died. Come quickly. I think you can take the revolver.
Wait, I can't pick up the bandage.
Bro,
I died.
bro, we did so good. Bro,
Wait. So one thing, I think we should leave that.